This is Flexscreen. So I found this product on Shark Tank. This was before YouTube, before my YouTube, before we started building this cabin, bought this property in Kentucky. I keep a file in my email, and that file is just well, things that I think are cool, and I email myself links. I saw this one on television, and I thought, man, that is definitely worth keeping track of, something that I want to incorporate into a build I do in the future. Alright, let's try her out. So, there's a little sticker on here. It says warning, something or other. That's supposed to go in. So when you push on this screen to pull it in, that's how you get it in and out. That's the way you want it for strength, I guess. That probably didn't make any sense, but sticker in. Man, it's weird to be able to like pull on a screen product this much. You gotta flex it a lot to get it in there. 1/2-inch track is a lot. Look at that, that's awesome. Well, there we go. That's all 80 pieces. That was a lot of little strips. So I think we're going to make a little lunch here, and then I will come back. Like I say, just about every one of these openings is a different size. We'll come back, throw the screens in. We'll be done. Man, I am not gonna lie to you. These things are awesome. They are cooler than I thought they were, which is saying a lot because I had high expectations, you know. First time I saw the screens, I was like, yeah, what a great idea, you know. Easy to install. And man, they just went in like a breeze by the time I figured out which one went in which hole. Piece of cake. I'm really happy with this. The screen itself, this high visibility, self-washing stuff. I can't really speak to the self-washing part, but the high visibility, I mean, you guys can see on camera. You could see right through it. This stuff's great. I'm really happy with it. So definitely looking forward to using this product again. I have a link in the description here to Flexscreen. They offer to give a discount to anyone that wants to order them. So I'll put that in the description, and you guys can use that if it's something you're interested in. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one. So, funny story. I was watching Flexscreen YouTube videos before I put these in. They've got a channel themselves, and they use, I don't know if you guys can see this X over here kind of as their logo. And Joe, the owner, inventor, whatever you want to say, of Flexscreen was doing the video, and I noticed that he had that big X tattooed inside his left bicep. I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. You know, you put your company logo. But Joe, I too have my company logo tattooed inside my left bicep. So that's something we have in common. It practically makes us brothers.